Hello everybody, welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. On today's video, we have the AQQA Magnetic Aquarium Glass Cleaner. What is that, might you ask? This cleans the glass on your aquarium. As you probably already know, the glass inside where the fish is and outside can get quite dirty. So using a magnetic glass cleaner is very helpful. That way you don't have to drain the tank and clean it yourself, which can also harm the fish if you leave any chemicals behind. So that's why we're going to use this magnetic glass cleaner to clean my fish tank. And we're going to see, does it really work? Stay tuned. Alright, right away, let's go ahead and unbox this magnetic aquarium glass cleaner and see what it's all about. Right away, we have our user manual, which is pretty thick and covers multiple language, so that's a plus. Right off the bat, we have our squeegee. That cleans the glass. You attach that right to the glass cleaner, so it works 2 in 1. Here is our glass cleaner that goes on the outside of the glass, and then we're going to have the other side of the magnet, which will go on the inside where the water goes. And watch out, it is very strong, so watch your fingers. And that's exactly the kind of power you need. Here is the glass, and you could see if you look very closely near the bottom, they'll have little orange stains that start to accumulate all over the glass. Like you can see a little bit there. Let me swing around here, and you can see right there. You see that? That's the kind of dirt and grime that builds up on the glass that you definitely want to clean off. So next up, we're going to go ahead and put the device inside the glass tank and move it around. Very easy. You just separate and then it reattaches magnetically. And I have the squeegee installed as well, so you can use both the squeegee and it's going to be cleaning with the Velcro that attaches to the magnet. And you can see I'm going to get nice and low and use the squeegee to get rid of that dirt and grime. And you can use this in any direction you would like. Just make sure you go over all of the glass multiple times and it will definitely clean. And it has a very strong magnet. So like I said, watch your fingers, but this thing is going to get the job done. Older magnets that I used were not strong enough and it wouldn't clean anything. This actually works. And when you're done, just go ahead and remove it, separate the magnet, and then remove the squeegee. And just like that, you have a nice, clean aquarium fish tank. And I gotta tell you, the fish were very happy. Thanks for watching.